How to fix Google Chrome not loading websites. So if you're unable to load certain websites in Google Chrome, I'm going to show you a few ways to go and solve this issue. Now, the very first thing we need to do is go and click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side and then scroll down and click on Settings. In the left hand side, click on Privacy and Security, click on Delete Browsing Data, make sure the time range is set to all time, and just make sure browsing history, cookies and other site data, and also cached images and files are all selected, and then you can go and press delete data. Now once you've done this, you can reload your browser and you can check if that's now working. If you're still having an issue loading websites, click back on the three vertical dots and this time click on extensions and click on manage extensions. Now sometimes the extensions on Google Chrome can actually stop websites from loading. So all you need to do is go and toggle off any of your extensions, and usually this will be a VPN extension or something like that. And once you've toggled all of these to off, you can then go reload your website and you can check if that's now solved the issue. If it's still not working, click back on the three vertical dots, click on Settings, and in the left hand side click on Reset Settings, click on Restore Settings to their original defaults, and then you'll need to go and press Reset Settings. You can then restart your Google Chrome browser and you can check if that solved the issue. Now if the websites are still not loading, go and open up the Start menu on your computer and click on Settings. Click on Network and Internet in the left hand side, click on VPN, and make sure you're not currently connected to any VPNs. So if you have a VPN set up, you'll need to go and disconnect from this now. You can then click Apps in the left hand side and click on Installed Apps. Using the search box, type in Google, click on the three horizontal dots next to Chrome and click on Uninstall. You'll then need to press this Uninstall button. Once you've uninstalled Chrome from your device, we can go and reinstall it. So you'll just need to open up another internet browser on your computer. You can then type in google.com/Chrome and you can just go and re-download the Chrome browser from here. Once you've done that, that should now fix websites not loading. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.